You are looking for a genuine way to make $50 to $100 on daily basis, even with your small capital, trading, boom and crash, and other assets, then you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you a simple setup you can use from your mobile phone, okay? So that you too can achieve this easily. Of course, if you want to make more than this and even easier than what I will be teaching you in this video, you need to get the custom made indicators we use on our videos, and of course that will make it very easy for you to grab all these, okay? And it will make your earning very easy for you, okay? So this is very important, but if you don't have the ability to do that right now, okay, you can follow up with this setup and you will get it right. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. Before I do that, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, do your own personal research about it. You need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I create a video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So as you can see guys, this is a simple setup which you are seeing, and you can use it for any of the assets, and I'm going to show this to you, and it works very well on mobile platform, okay? So this is very important, okay? You don't need to bore yourself with all the terms and with all the terms of FX, and of course all the candlesticks and the likes. Just follow this setup and you will get it right. So let's see the setup one after the other, okay? Okay, there are just four major tools that I'm having on the chart. This is the first one. You can just go through it and have it done on your charts, okay? This is the second one. All these are on the main charts, okay? Now we will move on to the window indicators. So this is RSI. So you do that first before you add the next one, which is going to be alligator. Okay, you can take screenshot of some of this setup I'm showing you so that it will be very easy for you to set it up whenever you are doing your own, okay? So once you have it done in the right way, you will be having something like this, okay? So I'm going to explain to you what you need to do in order for you to use this to trade. First of all, you need to know that when the trade is at the top right here, it is at the resistance zone. When it has the bottom bars here, it is at the major support zone. There are other minor ones that happens in between the two, okay? So all these are very important. And when it is at the top like this, then you should know that there are two things that may likely happen. One is a change in direction of the trend, okay? Change in direction of the trend. Two is a breakout, okay? A breakout. Okay, so these are the two things that are most likely to happen, okay? So whichever one that happens will determine the direction of the market, okay? So how do you know when to pick up a trade? Once it gets to this place, the first one that should come to your mind is changing direction of the trend, okay? Because we expect it to sell right from there, most especially if this is confirming it, okay? Your window indicator, if it is confirming it. And how will it be confirming it? Okay, if the the lines, the signal lines have also gotten above 70 upward, okay, it shows that the market has overbought, okay? So we want it to sell, or it should be selling at that particular time. That is if it does not break out above the resistance zone, okay? So immediately you have a crossing around there, a downward crossing around there. Check if you are also having a downward crossing around here. Okay, so if you're having a downward crossing, then definitely you should go for a sell. But however, you should always have your stop loss, so you can have your stop loss at the tip right here. Okay, this is very, very important. This is for you to protect your capital in case it wants to break out from the resistance zone. And if it breaks out, then it will keep on buying. Okay, but if it does not, then it's going to sell. Just the way you are seeing right here, you can see it's sold, and it will keep on selling until it gets to 30 or 20. Sometimes it will want to have some issues around 50, but immediately it breaks out from 50, it will get to 30 or 20. So this is very, very important. The same thing is for a buy signal. Check it out. Here is a buy signal, and here is a resistance zone. Okay, and if it is below 30, you should know that it has oversold, so we expect it to buy. All you should be looking for is the upward crossing of the trading tool, and it should also happen around here. So this should be your entry point, this should be your stop loss. And if it does not break out below this stop loss, then it will buy, and that is why it bought around here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so if you understand all this, you will be able to milk the market successfully, and you can try it out with all the assets. Okay, check it out. It will keep on buying until it gets to 70 and above. That is the beautiful part about it. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. If you are watching this on the TikTok, on my TikTok page, you can leave your questions within the comments section. I'll always be there to reply you. And you can also check my bio for more videos on this. Okay, you're going to see the link to it right there. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.